The Island team is proud to present 460 Base Avenue East, number 115 in Venice, Florida, an affordable, furnished Venice Island 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. This desirable ground floor unit is move-in ready and perfect as a full-time, seasonal or rental property. This is a fantastic location, close to shopping and dining, as well as historic downtown Venice, Venice Beach, the Venetian Motorway Park, Venice Fishing Pier, and Caspersen Beach. The condo features a well-appointed, upgraded kitchen with all major appliances included. The open floor plan offers a convenient combination living room dining room area. Notice the sliding glass doors from the living room to the enclosed lanai. The master bedroom is generously sized and includes an updated ensuite bath and walk-in closet. The guest bedroom welcomes friends and family, and an updated full bath is just across the hall. You'll enjoy the additional space of the enclosed lanai with privacy windows, a great place to sit and relax or entertain guests. What a great place to call home, and so close to all the things that make living in Southwest Florida great. Golf, fishing, beaches, boating, shopping, and of course, our famous Gulf of Mexico sunsets. So don't wait, call the Island team today to schedule your private showing.